With immense pleasure, I would like to introduce you to the outstanding breakthrough that our team has developed. I would like to introduce you to the first ever atomic scale processing technology at micro and zero gravity, the NANOFABRICATOR 0G. Hello, I am Maksym Plakhotnyuk, CEO and founder of Atlant 3D. We are leading the future of atomic scale manufacturing on Earth and beyond. We have developed the world's first NANOFABRICATOR 0G, enabling microgravity and in-space or interterrestrial high-precision processing of advanced materials and micro-devices in one system platform. Our biggest goal now is to validate our technology in real environment, at microgravity and in space. We are looking for support to navigate complex space industry, establishing strategic partnerships, secure flight opportunity for parabolic microgravity and in-space testing. We expect to gain market insights, refine our business strategy, and connect with the key players in the space sector. With your support, we can enable new dimensions for space manufacturing, atomic scale manufacturing in space. We are ready to take our technology beyond Earth. Let's make it happen together.